Welcome back, car enthusiasts! Today we bring you groundbreaking news from Jaguar-Land Rover. For the first time in history, the luxurious Range Rover and Range Rover Sport will be produced outside the UK. Stay tuned to find out all the details. That's right, these iconic SUVs will now be assembled in India. Jaguar-Land Rover has chosen the Pune plant, owned by Tata Motors, to handle this significant production shift. This move is aimed at reducing wait times and meeting the growing demand from the Indian market. Since 2011, the Pune plant has been the production hub for 10 other JLR models tailored for the Indian market, starting with the Land Rover Freelander. Now, it will add the prestigious Range Rover and Range Rover Sport to its lineup. The locally assembled Range Rover will come in two luxurious trims. The Autobiography, featuring a 3.0-liter gasoline engine producing 393 horsepower, and the HSE, with a 3.0-liter diesel engine delivering 346 horsepower. Both models will feature the long wheelbase body style, offering extra space and comfort. And let's not forget the Range Rover Sport, which will be available in the dynamic SE trim, featuring the same powerful engines. These models will be exclusively available for the Indian market, promising shorter wait times for customers. The first Indian-produced units will be showcased at the new Range Rover House India in Alabama. Deliveries are set to begin on May 24th for the Range Rover and on August 16th for the Range Rover Sport. This move is expected to further strengthen Range Rover's market presence in India, which has seen a remarkable 160% increase in sales in 2024. Leonard Hornick, Chief Commercial Officer at JLR, highlights India's steady economic growth as a key factor for this production shift. While these Range Rovers will be made in India, they will still maintain their exemplary British design and craftsmanship. That's all for today's exciting update. What do you think about Range Rover's decision to produce their SUVs in India? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in the automotive world.